Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the psychology behind capturing someone's attention and making them crave it. If you've ever wanted to know the secret sauce, stick around because we've got 5 psychological tricks that will make her yearn for your attention. Before we dive in, let's hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on these mind-blowing insights. Trick number 1. The power of mystery. Humans are naturally curious creatures. By leaving a little to the imagination, you can create an air of mystery that draws her in. We'll discuss the art of the enigmatic and how to use it to your advantage. Trick number 2. The pull of reciprocity. We'll explore how giving attention strategically can make her want to reciprocate, creating a powerful cycle of mutual attraction. Trick number 3. Positive reinforcement. Ever heard of the saying, catch more flies with honey than vinegar? We'll delve into the psychology of positive reinforcement and how it can amplify her desire for your attention. Trick number 4. The scarcity principle. I'll break down how scarcity creates value and fuels desire. Learn how to use scarcity tactfully without playing games. And finally, trick number 5. Emotional connection. Understanding and building a genuine emotional connection is key to having her not just crave your attention, but cherish it. There you have it, folks. 5 powerful psychological tricks to make her crave your attention. Remember, these insights aren't about manipulation, but understanding human nature to foster genuine connections. Drop a comment below about which trick you found most intriguing. Until next time, keep those connections alive. This video aims to keep the audience engaged and informed while providing actionable tips on the topic. It's important to emphasize the ethical use of these psychological insights for fostering genuine connections rather than manipulation.